In a series of coordinated operations, security forces and the Manipur police achieved significant breakthroughs against anti-social and militant activities across the state. On October 6, security forces recovered a 9-foot-long country-made rocket containing explosives and a detonator weighing 200 kilograms from the general area between S. Lonfai and Tuikong villages under Ccpur police station in Ccpur district. On the same day, forces apprehended an active cadre of KCP PWG identified as Thokchom Michael Singh, alias Munan, aged 25 years, of Nambol Kamong Mishna Maning Laikai in Bishnupur district from Kongpal Khaidem Laikai under Porompat police station in Imphal East. A mobile phone was seized from his possession. Meanwhile, on October 7th, Manipur police arrested 2 individuals with 26.47 kilograms of contraband ganza from Awang Sekmai area under Sekmai police station in Imphal West district. The accused were identified as Ramjan Ahmed Laskar, aged 26 years, of Dakshin Kuchudaram village, Kasar district in Assam, and Mirsing Lunghar, aged 38 years, of Tainem village in Ukhrul district. On the same day, police also apprehended an active cadre of RPF PLA, Khongban Tabam Prioberta Mite, alias Boicha, alias Abung, aged 37 years, of Kwakaitel Kongjeng Laikai, from his residence under Singtumai police station in Imphal West. A mobile phone and Aadhaar card were seized from him.